Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit pages on Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my dashboard on my store, and if I click on online store, then I'll have the themes page open right like this. Now, to edit the pages, you can just go into the pages section over here, and as you can see, you will see the pages that you have on your site. Right now I only have the contact page, which I added as a custom page, and as you can see it is just empty. But if I go into my themes, I can then click on customize next to my selected theme, and then I can start editing the pages that are on the site. I can edit the home page by either clicking on the sections, adding new blocks, or going into theme settings and editing the theme, or I can go and select whichever other page I would like, such as the product page, and then just modify the page from the same menu to the left as I would for the home page. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.